Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Virgin Galactic Starship 2 made by Virgin Models. Let's get into it. Starting with the front of the box, here top left corner, 1:400 scale die-cast model. That's the registration. I'm not sure which, I think both aircraft, the carrier and the spacecraft itself, have registrations. November 348 Mike Sierra and November 339 Sierra Sierra, or 55. I can't really tell what that's supposed to be. More likely 55. Bottom left corner, Virgin Galactic logo. In the middle, they have shot the belly or underside of the aircraft. When you flip up this little tab, Virgin Galactic, space is Virgin territory, Virgin Galactic. Unfortunately, they put the stand like right in front of where you're gonna see this. I don't know why they did that, but that's where it is. They could have put it underneath. This isn't brand new though. I'm not sure if the real one, original, would have come like this. I bought this from eBay and it's really rare, so not really rare, but not common. So I don't know how this is supposed to be packed. If you're wondering, there's no brand, but I've seen either JC Wings or a company called Virgin Models that I guess Richard Branson owns a model company. I'm not entirely sure how that works, but I'm gonna put this as other. I don't know for sure what brand it is. This side of the box, Virgin Galactic logo, and that's the pinup. I don't know. I know it has a name. I don't remember what it's called, but it's their typical. I don't actually know what it's supposed to be. It's just like a woman bending backwards, but this for Virgin Galactic, she's wearing a spacesuit. And same thing on the other side. Bottom, just a Virgin Galactic logo. Adult collectible model. Warning, contains small parts. Virgin Galactic. No, that doesn't say, yeah, it doesn't say what brand. Made in China, though. Back of the box, Virgin Galactic. There's a little blurb on the back. You can pause that if you want to read it. So that is the box, and let's open it up. Okay, so this opens just like all other model planes. 1:400 scale. Just slide your fingers underneath. This box is packaged a little bit weird. It might actually take me a while. Oh, no, there it is. Pops right out. I don't know if this cardboard would come with it normally, but that's just how the seller shipped it to me. Then you just grab this tray, pull it out, and then you throw the box to the side. There's this little bag with air. This is a little packet with the stand. I don't know what material it is. It looks like wood, but it might be fake. There is the aircraft. Pull this little cardboard out of the way. Throw that to the side. And then pinch here. And then I'm just gonna... Geez, this thing's tight. It's another bit of cardboard. Let's see. Try to find a gap. I want to break it. There we go. Lift this top half off. And there is the model. I don't know where to grab it. I don't know which point is going to be the strongest. Probably like here. Lift it out. And there is the Virgin Models 1:400 Virgin Galactic. So looking at the model, I believe, I'm not sure on any of this, I probably should have done some research before, but I think the whole thing, when it's all together, is called Starship. Is it? No. Right here, the carrier aircraft, this is the actual spaceship that detaches. I might be able to put a little video over your screen right now. This middle part, or middle aircraft detaches, and that is the part that actually goes to space. This right here is the actual aircraft that's going to take it up there. I believe that's called the White Knight 2, and this one in the middle is called Starship 2. And the whole thing together is called the Unity spacecraft, I think. I'm pretty sure. Looking at, let's start with the right fuselage. Here we have the Virgin Galactic mascot on the front there. Windows are accurate to the real thing. It's got funky windows. Landing gear on this is a little bit big. I believe it doesn't roll. It is real rubber though. The engines are very small compared to the aircraft. In person, this is a really, really tiny engines. But you did get the detail there. They have the history of flight. They just have a little logo, if I can focus on that. Right there. There's probably a better... No, there's only there's a better way to do that. That logo has, I think at the bottom there's a man with glider wings, and then it goes up to the right flyer, then like an old 60s fighter jet, like a Gloucester Meteor or something, then an F-16, then a 747, then the first variant of this Starship that they had, then the newer variant, and then they have the whole aircraft, whole Unity, this right here. The wings don't seem to have any modeled flaps or anything. They seem to be just one. Oh no, I lied. There are some very, very faint lines there. You can barely see them. You got the tail. It's a very unusual aircraft trying to move around. Tail, there's the Virgin Galactic logo, and the registration of the main aircraft is November 348 Mike Sierra, I think that is. And then on the tail there is typical Virgin logo. Sorry if you hear cars in the background. I live on a main street, not ideal. Then the other fuselage looks basically the same. And then the middle ship, let's look at the bottom. Oh, there is the full mural. Let's see, wow, I am really shaky. Yet there is what it seems to be a man with wings, what I assume is the Wright Flyer. Old, like, P-26 looking plane, propeller plane. That looks like a L-39 or something, a older fighter jet. There's a 747. Oh, that's the Apollo 11 Eagle lander. That is the old variant of this in the middle, the Starship. And then this is the whole aircraft Unity. On the bottom, they have the Virgin Galactic Iris logo with the big white Virgin on it. And central or the Starship itself does not have rubber wheels. The fuselage is rubber wheels, but these are smooth plastic. And there is the engine, kind of dented a little bit. Yeah, it's dented around the sides. It doesn't matter too much. It's very small. And there is the Virgin logo there, and registration November 33955, or, yeah, I think it's 55, not Sierra. At the front, they have the drag skid, which you can see on the real aircraft. I don't know why the forward one doesn't have landing gear, or why the Unity doesn't have forward landing gear. I'm not sure what the design purpose for that was. So that is basically it for the aircraft. And I know some people are curious to see the size. This is definitely 1/400. I can guarantee that it's 1/400. So let me show you next to a Gemini Jets 737. That's it. Its wingspan is a little bit bigger. Actually, it's quite a bit bigger. A lot larger than I thought it was going to be. Here from the side. So take both of them to the side. Yep. Let's see, height. The 737's tail is definitely taller, and the fuselage is taller. For different aircraft, let's slowly move up in size. Let's take this, the 757, right here. So that's a 757-200. Let's take a 777. Here's a 777 next to it. And a 747-8. It is surprisingly large. I didn't know it was that large in real life, but now that I think about it, yeah, the pictures make sense. It is a pretty large aircraft. That's it next to 747. And last reference, let's take an Antonov 124 next to it. Let's see. I'm going to do this. There we go. That is it next to an Antonov 124. So let me quickly take out the stand, and I'll just show you what it looks like next to or on the stand before I sign off. So here is the aircraft on its stand. I thought this was wood, but it's not even textured like wood. It's just a brown plastic with the Virgin Galactic iris logo. This, it's just like a hook. It's pretty simple to put in. And it actually goes through the rocket engine of the Starship. Goes through there, not on a hole on the bottom like most other model planes. This is a very nice display piece, and I bet... No, it is secure. It doesn't tilt. It has some little notches so that it doesn't bank too far to the side. So that's pretty well done. And I forgot to do this in the scale reference, but here is it next to an American penny. You can see right there. That is touching it. And here is it next to an American quarter. So pretty large for a 1:400 scale aircraft. It is metal. Besides the landing gear legs, everything is real metal. Middle Starship doesn't come off. But overall, I think this is a very rare and usual aircraft. And yeah, so very interesting. This is going to be Gemini Jets 2006, signing off.